How to edit an Instagram post. Hello guys, welcome to today's Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to edit an Instagram post even after posting it. Editing an Instagram post after it has been published is a straightforward process that you can do directly on your phone in your Instagram account without any third-party application. Here is how you can do it. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen to go to your profile page. Then on your profile page, navigate to the post you want to edit. You can scroll through your post if you have lots of posts. Just find the post and tap on it. On the post, tap on the three dots above. You'll be given several options. Tap on the edit option. Now on this post, I can edit the caption, I can edit the location to change the location, I can remove tags. Let me quickly edit the caption for the purpose of this video. You can also delete the post. Just tap on the trash icon above to delete the post, confirm the deletion. However, you cannot replace the post, either the image or the video, anyone. You cannot replace it with a new one. These are the only available options available for editing. After making your edit, tap the done or check mark at the top depending on the one you are provided with on your device. Tap on the check mark, as you can see on the screen. Now your post will be edited with the new changes, and the edited version will also be visible to your followers. I hope this video helped you in editing your photo. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section below.